now.
Good evening, sir, and my dear friends. I am Shubham Kumar. I am from Ara, Bhojpur, Bihar. Ara is known as Arthabao Bir Kunwar Singh. I have passed class 12th with 86% marks from BSCB, and now I am pursuing BSc Physics Honours from Bir Kunwar Singh University, Ara. In my family, apart from my parents, I have two elder sisters. My father is farmer, and my mother is homemaker. I like playing volleyball and football. I am punctual and disciplined in my work. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me adventurous and disciplined career. That's all about me, and we are here to discuss about the topic which has been assigned to us, which is good for customers, online or offline shopping. In our life, we do both online offline shopping. When we hear and think about shopping, we feel joy and excitement. Shopping is a part of our daily life. We can do shopping by two types. First is offline. It is also called a physical shopping, and second is online. It is also called a virtual shopping. In offline shopping, we can touch and feel the products, but in online shopping, we can only see the product. We can do bargaining in offline shopping, but we can't bargain in offline shopping. All the items are available at one place and one platform in online shopping, but in offline
Now
shopping, all
next
the items
candidate
are not
Dipendra
available.
Kumar.
Hello everyone, my name is Dipen Kaur. I belong to Kanpur. I have passed 10th and 12th from UP Board. Now I am pursuing BSc from Kanpur University. There are 6 members in my family, including 3 siblings. My father is a teacher, my mother is a housemaker. My hobby is playing cricket and reading newspaper. Today my topic is online and offline shopping, which is assigned to me. In our life, we do both online and offline shopping. If we hear about shopping, we feel happy. So shopping is our daily life. In offline shopping we can touch and feel product, but in online shopping we can't feel and touch product. We can bargaining in offline shopping, but we cannot bargaining in online shopping. Online shopping is multiple payment option like UPI, Google Pay, Phone Pay, QR code, and many more option. We can get everything in online shopping through without going to market. 66% of shopper prefer online shopping. Online shopping get many offer
Now
per
next
day.
candidate Pritam Singh.
Jai Hind friend, my name is Pritam Singh from Lathia, Jharkhand. I have completed my 12th from Sarma College, Chhatarpur in Science Stream. Now I am pursuing graduation in English Honours from AK Degree College, Japla. My hobbies are traveling and singing. My goal to be the best version of ourselves, disciplined and adventurous life. Now about topic. A shop which use internet to sell its product to customer is called online shopping. And on the other hand, sell its product directly face to face to the customer is called offline shopping. Online shopping is a convenience and it has so much varieties and choice. Online shopping there is no crowd problem. There is no pressure on the customer to buy the thing. Offline shopping is available, easily available, and
Now
it
next
is.
candidate Anurag.
Jai Hind everyone. My name is Anurag Shukla. I belong to Raebareli, Uttar Pradesh, which is famous for NTPC. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from Lucknow University. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve my nation. That's all about me. Thank you. Today's topic is online versus offline shopping. Shopping is the way of buying things from the shop from online or offline. In earlier days, people used to use all offline shopping and go to shop to buy things. But nowadays, people prefer online shopping. In online shopping, we
Now next candidate Nisu.
Yes, hello, good evening, aspirant. Today we are. My name is Nisu Yadav. I am from Alwar, and there are five members in my family. First, me, and other my mother, my father, and my one brother. And I am pursuing my college from RR College in Alwar. I am pursuing BSc in BSc from RR College, and my hobbies is playing cricket and kabaddi. Now we are going to discuss the topic, today's topic, that is online and offline shopping. So first of all, we should understand that what is online and offline shopping. Everyone knows that online means we are purchasing anything which is important for, I mean, that luggage we are taking from the online platforms. Like there are many apps, Miso, Amazon, and other Flipkart, that apps providing in sufficient rupees for
Next
all.
candidate, Rishabh Yadav.
My name is Rishabh Yadav. I belongs to Mainpuri, located in Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my higher secondary education in 2021, and there are four members in my family. My father, Mr. Sailen, he is a farmer, and my hobbies are outdoor games and singing songs. I want to join Indian Air Force because at this stage of life, with this qualification, it gives me best opportunity to serve my nation as well as settle my career. Now I'm discuss on the topic online shopping versus offline shopping. So offline shopping means in which we go to market and buy our products from the shop, and online shopping means we buy products via mobile phone and computer. Both ways are best, but in offline shopping, in offline shopping we purchase when we purchase products we can
Next
feel and
candidate, Nikita.
First of all, good evening to all. My name is Nikita Chaudhary. I belong to Hathras. I have completed my higher secondary education from CBSE board. Now I am pursuing BA second year from Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar University. My hobbies is listening music and teaching poor children. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives adventures life and better opportunity after 12. We are we are here to discuss about the topic online shopping and offline shopping. In our life, we can use both type of shoppings, online shopping and offline shopping. When we hear the shopping, we feel joy and excitement. Shopping is a part of our daily life. In online in offline shopping, we can touch and feel the product, but in online shopping, we can see the product. Online shopping reduces crowds and gives the customer exciting offers, discount, and coupons. When you shop online, it takes much time to research the product, any product. But when you shop offline, some staff handles customer.
Now next candidate, Happiness.
Everyone, my name is Dilpreet. I'm from Jodhpur. It is famous for Mehrangarh Fort, Umaid Palace, and Jaswantara. I completed my 12th from RBSC board. Now I am pursuing my BSc. My father is a farmer and mother is a good homemaker. And my hobby is playing cricket, volleyball, and spend time with my family member and friends. I want to join Indian Air Force as a Navy because it is job full of pride, satisfaction, and adventure. Now I would like to introduce our GD topic is online shopping versus offline shopping. We all know that purchase the things is a initial part of a life. When a person purchase thing digitally through the app, it's called online shopping. And when a person go to the shop and barking and things he by their eyes and purchase the things and getting many natural facility like discount and discount touching things and quality of things, and when we see the things on photos
and purchase them, and delivery by the delivery man by the delivery by the digital apping system. It also know the time we see the online shopping is boring, and because some cultural function also will be happy through the going offline shopping and bargaining with the shoppers, and has some family member also gathering in offline shopping.
Next, Manish Kumar. Ajay Pal Yadav.
Yes, offline and online shopping both are useful. It depend on the
Ajay Pal
circumstances.
Yadav, self introduction and about the topic देना है.
Yes, sorry sir. Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Ajay Pal Yadav. I am from village Tulera, district Alwar, Rajasthan. Right now, I am pursuing graduation from RR College, Alwar. I have completed 12th class from Career Vision Secondary School with mathematics with aggregate 97.2 percentage. And my hobbies is playing cricket and watching the newses. Thank you. And today is our topic, group discussion topic is online and offline shopping. As we all know that both have advantages and disadvantages, but it depends on the circumstances. Like the if a person who is who want to save money, then he will surely go to the offline. And if a person who don't have a time and he want to get everything at home, and he's not able to go anywhere, so he will prefer the online. Thank you.
So candidates, now you can start your GD session. और आज का जो अपना टॉपिक है ऑनलाइन वर्सेज ऑफलाइन शॉपिंग, इस टॉपिक को इनिशिएट करेंगे प्रीतम सिंह. ओके, प्रीतम सिंह, you can initiate the topic and start GD session.
Thank you, sir. Online shopping is convenience and it has so much wise. In online shopping, there is no crowd problem, and online shopping there is no pressure on the customer to buy the thing. In online shopping, there is a
We can do shopping.
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. In offline shopping, we can do bargaining in it, but we cannot bargain in online shopping.
I am agree
And
with
that's
you.
more about the online
I agree
shopping.
with
We
your
are know
point.
that the online shopping is easy to time saving, and it also will be easy to our way, because if we go then offline, then we face the traffic, but we then purchase thing online, then we no face the traffic, and also saving our time. We are know that sometimes we own our work, and we don't have time for our family member, then we also use online shopping and purchase things for our family member and friends. And online shopping is also helpful, because sometime in the function time the online is also give discount, and it's also some believable app like Amazon. It's a tax high money, but the quality of things also will be sometime very greater than the offline shopping. And online shopping give our opportunity and the multiple things on platform. We search on thing online, sometimes we don't see that thing on offline shop.
online shopping
Yeah,
delivery. Hello,
yeah,
online
I agree
shopping
with your point, my
delivery
dear
is
friend.
very.
We can do shopping by two types. First is offline shopping. It is called physically shopping, and then second is online shopping. We it is called virtually shopping. We get everything at home through online shopping without going to market. Online shopping is a very important in modern generation because we have no time. Then we go online shopping.
when
I
we
am
do
agree with you.
online
Less
shopping, so
time has
it is
invested in online shopping, but at the same time, most of the time have invested in offline shopping. But at the same time, family gathering is also a reason of the offline shopping. You can enjoy and feel it.
but
Yes,
when
sir.
we
I
do
agree
online
with the
shopping, it
all
becomes
Offline shopping, we can do bargaining, we
uh,
can get our product in less time than online shopping. In online shopping, we can get many offers and many new design clothes. And in online shopping, uh, many sites.
when we
Yes, I agree with
when
your
we
point.
do online
Online
shopping, it
shopping
become
is
a
a multi.
sometimes when we do online
Online
shopping,
shopping
it become
delivery is
expensive for
very
us
slow.
because
Hello.
we cannot
Uh,
be do
Yeah,
bargaining
yeah, I
when
agree
we
with
do
your point,
online
my
shopping.
dear friends. In online shopping is a multiple payment option like a QR code, Google Pay, Phone Pay, and many option. Online shopping prefer many offer in our daily life. Online shopping is a good because we can achieve everything. Say, some online shopping platform is Amazon, Flipkart, and many more.
When
Many
we do
people say
we
online
can
that
shopping, it
the
agree with the
offline shopping is time
all
saving, but
gentlemen.
it is not time saving because in online shopping delivery time is very slow. It takes deliver the product almost 5 to 6 days.
In
My
yes,
online
friend,
yes,
shopping,
I would like to agree with you because
turn our
sometimes we need the things immediately. Then we also going to the offline shopping. Then we things will be need immediately and emergency. We see sometimes we have don't time to purchase thing, and online will be give thing from delivery in 5 to 6 days. And we also know that
the main
sometimes is a function in our home. Then the things outlet like foods, and foods always will be taking offline because the delivery of foods always taking long time and we don't wait.
the
in
main
online
advantage of the offline shopping that it give us a reality of the society and we can interact more on the people, and also it can also enhance our personality. Then when we go for the offline shopping, then surely we will do bargaining and we understand the reality of that things and we get it. But in online shopping, it is more expensive than the offline shopping, and also it is useful for that person who is a disabled. But if we are living in society, then surely if we go market, then we learn more things when we do offline shopping.
In my opinion
Offline
also the
shopping is
offline
easily
is a
available
good shopping
everywhere. It is
because
available on rural area also. It is also available where internet is not available.
We can see all needful product in online shopping. Only one platform. If we are going to offline shopping, we are buy product. Then we go many shops and buy product in online shopping.
in
I
online
am
Agree.
agree
shopping,
with you.
return our
I
products,
am
but
agree with you. We can.
online shopping, we can return our product. In offline coaching, many cases we can't do it.
Agree
I
to
am
your
agree with
research.
you. We can get the funds return and exchange in online shopping, and but at the same time or in offline shopping we can only exchange. There is advantage of online shopping.
Dear friends, I am totally agree with you. In online shopping, we get everything at the home without going anywhere. But it takes a much time to deliver. But offline shopping cannot take any time.
Yeah, I agree with your
Maybe
point.
it
If
I'm
become
agree
we
more
with
buy
interesting.
in
the thing
online
that she
shopping,
said. She saying that in offline shopping we can get the more advantage of the things because we can find the good things in if offline shopping, but we don't know. I think in my opinion like the good things which are providing in the market, but in online like we can say that the showing is more there in on the online, but the product is not like that pure in online. I think
I am agree with you. It also promotes the digitalization. Online shopping also promotes digitalization. It is a good for the society because digitalization is a way towards to the developing country to the developed country. In India, is a developing country. It is a way to the developed country.
If we are
Sometimes
travel somewhere, we are not at the home, then offline shopping is available. But in this case, we travel somewhere, then we don't use the online shopping because it is not able to reach. It is not able to reach the product of us.
but in
Yeah,
online
I
shopping,
agree with you.
when we do online shopping, then we don't know that sometimes we inflate some platforms not providing a real things. We don't know that it will be real or not. Like when we do online shopping, it is in our mobiles, and when we do, then it is good, looking like a good, but when actually it is coming, then it is not looking good, and also it is too much expensive, and it cannot be authentic, which we say. There's a lot of online platform which can be authentic in our society, like the Flipkart, Amazon, Google Pay. These are the good things.
In
As
offline shopping,
it's
we
good
can
that there is
bargain the
apps.
price of product, but in the online, this facility is not available on online shopping. Online shopping all the product has fixed amount.
In online
Dear
Yeah, I
shopping,
friends,
many
agree
I
with you,
am
dear.
totally agree with you.
have fear about cyber.
Yeah, I agree with you, my dear friends. 66% of shopper paper online. 75% of people are shopping in online in 1 month.
I am agree with
But
you. Grocery
in,
has also available on online shopping, and in online shopping, grocery is sell and not fresh. But in offline shopping, fresh grocery is available in offline shops.
absolutely right. I'm agree with that guy that he's saying that in offline shopping we are getting more efficiency of the product. Like it is good product. We are going there to check that things like it is good for us or not. But in online, as the already brother mentioned that there is not priority is there that it is good product for us because when we saw in the apps then it is good, but when the product is coming at our home, that time we can see that it is not a good product for us.
Dear
I
friends,
would
I
like
am
to add
totally
some
agree with
point
you.
about the online.
And if we talking about the on the basement, then surely we will find that the online shopping is giving a more employment to the youths, because when we purchase something from online, that other person will come at our home and will give us, then surely it is giving a one person to that the that they that employment also. But in online, that we have don't have a preference, like we select a one thing, then it come our home, then we have only one thing to purchase it. But when we go in offline, we have a lot of things to purchase, everything.
Online shopping is a big market. It has also unique product which is not available on offline shopping.
Friends,
If
I
we
am totally
purchase,
agree with you. In offline shopping, we can touch and feel the product. But in online shopping, we can see the product. Online shopping reduces crowds and customer gives the discount and coupons force on the
Yeah, I
product.
agree with your point. In offline shopping, we can get fresh everything, but we can't fresh get everything in online shopping, because online shopping is good for our society. If we going, if we have no time, then we can get online shopping.
I am agree with you. If we purchase the product from both online and offline shopping, the return policy intended is available in online shopping. But if we used the product, then we should not return the in offline shopping.
In India, there is a lots of apps which deliver online shopping like Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, and there is also online food delivery apps like Zomato, Swiggy.
Absolutely right that there are some apps they are providing the good foods at that time when you want. In the sufficient time, if you if you give the money on online payment to the apps of Zomato and Swiggy, then in sufficient time, in the small time, they will give you product which you want. That's good for our online we can say shopping.
Yes, friend, I am totally agree with you because in online shopping there are lot of option to choose best product for ourselves and our need.
And also, main advantage of online shopping is that when we purchase anything from the company, then it is sometimes we find that it is not good. Probably it is not authentic that thing, so we can replace it easily. That is the main good thing with the online shopping. Within 7 days, probably 10 days. But when we do offline shopping and we are not getting a bill payment, then surely we cannot be say that it is authentic or not. Sometimes we cannot be find out that real or not anything in the offline shopping. Like if you want to purchase any shoes like the Reebok, Nike, there is also in market there is duplicators also available, but we cannot find. That is the main problem with the offline shopping.
I'm
Know
totally
that
agree
online
with
shopping only not give us the things, but is also we know some books are not available in our market. Then we also purchase them from online shopping, and online shopping also decrease the third party between the company and purchaser, and then the prices of things is really down. But sometimes we see a thing come from the very far, then the price of a thing high compared to online shopping.
Agree to
I'm totally
gentlemen.
agree with you that you are saying everything which you are not getting from the market, that all things taking from the small to biggest things is available on online, and you can get that things in sufficient time also and in sufficient money also. So you said that one brother also said that if you are getting the carry on.
Yes, it will be agree to gentlemen that I want to say that in online coaching we can get everything which we want, but like that we are living in remote areas and we want to do our study with properly and we cannot be purchase any book. Sometimes we cannot be find books that in market, so we can purchase it from online and just give a order and it will come in our home within 8 to 7 days. So that is the main benefit of the online shopping.
The biggest problem with the online shopping is
You
if
find
any product we want to urgently, then it is unable to reach on online shopping.
Yes, friend, I
We
am
see the
totally agree
owner of
with you
things
because
online.
in online shopping, in online shopping, urgently we cannot buy any product in our need and
To add some point about online shopping, sometimes we purchase the things, then the delivery boy deliver us to the thing. Then we know some cases the delivery boy discrimination in things and change the things with copy things tag in our box and change the box. And we then these reason we can't trust sometime online shopping. And we also know the things quality we don't see naturally, then we see the quality of cameras also will be deceive us from the reality of things.
In online shopping, there is not pressure on the customer to buy the product, but in offline shopping, we are here on the. Thank you. You are.
Yeah, I agree with your point, my dear friend. If we purchase a expensive things like a golden, diamond, and silver, and many more metals. Then we go in offline because in offline shopping we can check everywhere in gold and diamond. In online checking, many online shopping give fake diamond, silvers, and gold.
Also, I
What
want to add some more point, uh, like online shopping give employment to the delivery boys.
now
I am
candidates?
agree with you. I am agree with
Yes,
you.
continue.
Small shops are also closed with the help of online shopping because most of time of the small shops are waits for the customers, but due to the online shopping, most of the small shops are closed.
Online shopping is a main benefit in rural areas because we know rural areas we don't have many shops to purchase things, and we have them some shops. Them there are shops will be also increase the price of things because the he purchase you the one shop in a village, but through the online shopping the rural areas people also will be get benefit to have multiple things to purchase by the online shopping.
But
At
in remote areas, people use offline shopping because in remote areas, offline online delivery is not available. So they do offline shopping.
Online and offline shopping each have their unique advantages and disadvantages. The choice between the two depend on individual preference. The type of product being experience asked. Thank you.
I am agree with you. People do not believe in remote areas uh, because in online shopping people do not believe good or bad things are available at online shopping. Many people are believed in online shopping remote areas. कि, bad things are available. Then we should prefer offline shopping.
Now conclude the topic, candidates.
For healthy
We can
discussion, I would like to conclude our topic. Online and offline shopping both are the different technology. We are know that one technology can't replace totally the another technology. That's all their own benefits. We are know that offline shopping gives us to the quality and price we see by our physically, but we can't see in online shopping things physically, and it's increase quality by the camera. But at the other side we see online shopping is give us multiple and many things, and it's also connectivity with between culture, and offline shopping is also taking time, and traveling is important in offline shopping. And it is a digital era. Now the knowledge of about digitalization in and awareness about the online shopping is also increasing. And in the future, we are know online shopping is famous because we see after the COVID-19, online shopping is increasing because in lockdown.
At last, I would like to say that it has both positive or negative aspects depending on personal opinions. We have much time, then we should prefer offline shopping, and then we should less time, then we should prefer online shopping. But at the same time, offline shopping has but had a different advantage because it we can feel and enjoy this moment and also a family gathering. And then, therefore, choose your favorite method to shop.
Online and offline shopping both are good in our side. If we go in shopping, we can feel happy and experiment everything. But in we go online shopping, we can't feel good and experiment because online shopping we can see only product, but we cannot touch it and we can't bargaining in online shopping.
At last, in conclusion, I want to say online and offline shopping both have advantages and disadvantages. It depends on the person needful things. Like a person who is old and he is disabled and he cannot be go market, surely he will prefer the online shopping. But a person who want to interact more people and he is speaking a good and with the peoples and his tongue is good to communicate with other person, he can do bargaining and also he can save money, then surely he should be go for the offline shopping. Thank you.
In the conclusion, I say uh, we discuss about offline and online shopping. It has it it is both are important because it increase our choice to shopping. It is increase our choice of shopping. If we are get the product urgently, then we go with the offline shopping, and we get the unique product, and we get unique product, and so we go with the online shopping.
Online and offline shopping has its own outcomes, like positive and negative. So we have to choose wisely the means of shopping. If we have to save our time, then we prefer online shopping. But when we need urgent goods, then we should prefer offline shopping. Thank you.